Is the OnePlus 8 Pro still worth it in 2021? Quick spoiler alert, absolutely. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I think the OnePlus 8 Pro is still worth it in 2021. Number 1 is display, and considering that 90% of what you do on your phone is visual, a clean, crisp display is needed in today's world. In this area, the OnePlus 8 does not disappoint, with that QHD Plus fluid AMOLED screen at 120Hz. You've got one of the best screens on the market still to date, despite the phone coming out in 2020. Second on the list is performance, and the Snapdragon 865 chip still packs a punch even in today's market. You have a nice blend of battery, efficiency, and you can consume as much content, video, gaming without any hiccups on the device whatsoever. Number 3 is that all-important camera. Now, I've said this before, in today's market, most mainstream flagship handsets have great cameras, and I would say this camera is very good. Not excellent, but very, very good. You have a nice blend of lenses with your main ultra-wide telephoto and the color filter lens, which we won't talk about. But overall, in good daylight settings, it takes really good shots. Low light is hit and miss, but overall, really, really good images. Number 4 on the list is that ever so popular operating system in Oxygen OS. Now, not only is this a buttery smooth Oxygen OS system, it's very Android stock-like, as you all know, but you also get the benefit of frequent updates, meaning that it's future-proof for many years to come. And finally, number 5, gonna give you 2 for 1. So the first part of number 5 is the dual SIM capability. It's amazing, especially in Europe and the UK. This is still one of the only devices to come as standard with a dual SIM capability. So that's one of the overall benefits of this handset. Number 2 is actually 5G capability as well. So going back to previously, as I mentioned about updates and being future-proof, the fact that this device is 5G capable means that once that rollout becomes the norm, you have a device that can last you certainly for the next 12 to 18 to 24 months. So there you have it. That's my top 5 reasons why I believe this device is still a sound choice in 2021. For some of you, you might not be looking for the latest iPhone or the latest Samsung. So this is a really good option for you. You still get loads of benefits that all of the current flagship devices have at a fraction of the price. The last time I checked, you were looking at about $699 starting price. So it's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a new device. Thank you for sticking with me till the end of the video. I really, really appreciate your time. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, that really helps me out. And if you could hit that subscribe and bell icon, that will make sure you don't miss any future content from the channel. If you do have any verdicts on this device, if you've got the device or you're thinking about getting this device in 2021, drop a comment below and I'll make sure I do reply to each and every one. That's me for now. You take care of yourself. Peace.